Hi, it's Robin from Red Fez here. Just got a little quick Windows tip for you. Wouldn't it be useful if you could batch rename files really easily? So if you just needed to update the date or something like that, and you could do it with lots of files and they'd all update, it'd be super cool, wouldn't it? Well, you can actually do that in Windows. The thing is, you have to download an extra set of tools called the Microsoft PowerToys. Now there's various things that these allow you to do, and batch renaming is one of them. Now I know what you're saying, it would be great if this tool was part of Windows out of the box. Unfortunately it's not, so there's a bit of work that you've got to do. So I'm going to show you how you can enable it and then how the tool works. So the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser and go to this website up here, github.com/Microsoft/PowerToys/releases. It's a bit complicated, I know, you might want to add that to your favorites. Once you are on that page, you can scroll down to the bottom of it, and here is the PowerToys Setup MSI. Click on that to download it, save it and run, or just run it straight away, whichever way takes your fancy. Once that is done, you will have in your taskbar at the bottom this little PowerToys logo. If you click on that, okay, you've then got the PowerToys general settings. Now this allows you to enable the various features that you want to use. I've actually got all three of them enabled here: Fancy Zones, Power Rename and Shortcut Guide. I'll do a video on Fancy Zones a little bit later. It's the Power Rename that we want to look at now. So there we go, I've got that switched on, which means I can now power rename my files and folders. So here's an example. In this folder here I have got 6 files. Okay, it could be more than that, and I want to rename those, and I want to change that 2018 to 2020. Well, it's dead easy to do with Power Rename. I'm going to select all of the files that I want to rename, and I'm going to right click. Now when you enable Power Rename, you now have in this context menu the Power Rename option. So let's click on that. Now it's a bit like search and replace. If you've used Word, if you've used Excel, you may well be familiar with the search and replace function. It's here now for your file names. You've got various options on here that allow you to kind of exclude or include things. You can really refine what it's going to change, but this is quite a simple one. I basically want it to look for 2018. Okay, so let's pop that in there, and you can see it's already on the fly showing me what it's going to look like, and replace that with 2020. So now it's going to tell me what my original file names are and what it's going to look like. I'm happy with that. I just click on rename and all my files are renamed. It really is that simple. So this is something that's definitely worthwhile downloading. That's Microsoft PowerToys. Even just for the Power Rename feature, it is something that Microsoft is adding to and developing, so there'll be other cool features to come in the future. Hope that's been a useful video. Thanks very much for watching.